Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by unboxing for November. Can't believe it's November already. But here are my November teas. Do get a really nice product card. I'll try to show that at the end. Ooh, matcha green tea. Love that stuff. I know you could bake with matcha too, and I made cookies before that were really good. So there's 4 of those, which is exciting. Also have System Re-Buddah caffeine-free herbal tea. That looks good. And because there is loose leaf tea, then they send these little reusable bags so you can put the tea in there and then it doesn't get everywhere, which I really like those. You normally get a combination of ones that are already in packets and then loose leaf tea. So this one says Dawn. Aww. It's one of my best friend's names, and she just had her baby shower today. That's cute. Tumeric teas. I know turmeric's supposed to be really good for you. That's what that looks like. And then we have Jasmine pearls. Ooh, black wolf. I like that name. Let's see. Is this that goes with that? What does it say? How to make a black wolf latte? Heck yeah. Cocoa, berry, vanilla, honey, earthy. You can make one hot or iced. I'm definitely going to try that. I love lattes. I like chai tea lattes and any kind of latte. It's my favorite thing ever. So definitely love that they included a little recipe card for that. And then here's what the product card looks like. It tells you which ones are caffeinated, which ones aren't, steeping times, all sorts of information about each tea. So this is a really fun subscription. If you guys are interested, I'll have all the information below and a link to their website. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.